Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's video we are going to solve this interesting math problem that say square root of x divided by 4x is equal to 5 and we want to find the values of x. Take a look at the problem and see if you can solve it before we do. Now let's jump right in. In the first step, let's multiply both sides of the equation to 4x, like that. Now we can simplify this two part and write square root of x is equal to 20 times x. Now let's square both sides of the equation. So we can write x is equal to 400 times x squared. Now pay attention that x cannot be equal to 0 because x is in denominator of the fraction and denominator of the fraction cannot be 0. According to this point, we can divide both sides of the equation to x. And now again we can simplify both sides of the equation. So 400 times x is equal to 1. Now in final step we divide both sides by 400. And that's how we find the value of x. So we can conclude that x equal to 1 over 400 is the only valid solution of this equation. I hope you enjoyed this problem and found the solution helpful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more math challenges and problem solving videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.